And then the response was, again, very specific, but it was farther down, what I would say down French Hill Road now, like farther up the mountain, but not far, maybe a quarter of a mile. You hear this very, very loud, a two-tone whistle. And then somewhere off in the woods, probably a mile away, it sounded a lot farther, was something that when I've interviewed for podcasts and other things, it's hard for me to describe because I can't ascribe it to anything. It sounded metallic. It sounded like somebody, like when we were kids, when you talk into a fan, but then it also sounded primate. And it was like but it had a metallic resonance to it. It's, almost like a vibration. Like if, again, like when you talked into a fan, you would get that wah wah, I am your father, Luke. It was like that, but more metallic. And that's the only thing I can say. It was like a vibrational voice.